Alright. Another set. Comment if I'm doing this wrong. Naisip ko lang, baka pwede. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Again, I'm just using a steel bar na nakita ko. So, kung mali yung aking mga exercise sa mga experts, sa mga professionals, tell me sa comment section. Again, I'm just improvising my weight training. I found a steel bar, more than 10 kilos yata. Anyway, another set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Woo! Sa pang-set. So, ngayon konti. I need to hydrate kung wala akong tubig. I will finish the last set. And then after that, isa na naman. Alright? Bye.